Alright guys, so I got the LED lights installed and I wanted to do a drive test at night. I'm out here on a country road with no street lights, and we're going to turn on the LED lights and just see how they do as far as how bright it makes it here. So there's just the headlights, and then that's with the fog lights also. There's high beams, which actually look a lot dimmer on the camera, but they seem to project the beam out quite a bit farther. I definitely like driving with the fog lights on. It really lights up the area right in front of the truck. You can catch all the little the shadows from the bumps in the roads and everything. But I have to say, just looking at the camera while we're driving here, it doesn't do it justice how far these things shine. They really light up way better than the halogen lights did. And I've been driving on them a couple of days now, and I haven't gotten anybody flashing their high beams at me, which is good. So it tells me that the headlights are probably pretty well adjusted. They were before. I didn't really have that problem before, so if the bulbs truly are just a one-for-one swap out, you know, you shouldn't need to adjust them anyway, but you never know. So yeah, this is just driving with low beams and with the fog lights on. If I turn the fog lights off, it's still plenty bright. Nothing really going to sneak up on you. There's the high beams again. Alright, there you have it. Just a quick little night drive with the new LED headlights and new LED fog lamps. Definitely worth the upgrade, worth the cost, not too expensive, and definitely makes the road a lot more visible with these style lights over the old halogen bulbs. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, and please hit the like button and share. Alright, thanks for watching.